Implementing an Enterprise Service Bus (ESB) API Manager can drive innovation and agility in several ways. 1. API Governance. The ESB API Manager provides centralized governance and management capabilities for APIs. It enables organizations to define API standards, policies, and guidelines. This governance framework ensures consistency, security, and compliance across APIs, promoting innovation while maintaining control. 2. API Lifecycle Management. The ESB API Manager facilitates end-to-end API lifecycle management, including API design, development, testing, deployment, versioning, and retirement. It streamlines the process of introducing new APIs and managing changes, allowing teams to iterate quickly and deliver innovative solutions faster. 3. Developer Portal. ESB API Managers typically include a developer portal or API marketplace, which serves as a self-service platform for developers to discover, explore, and consume APIs. The developer portal fosters innovation by encouraging collaboration, enabling developers to experiment with APIs, and promoting the creation of new applications and services. 4. API Analytics. ESB API Managers offer advanced analytics capabilities that provide insights into API usage, performance, and behavior. By analyzing these metrics, organizations can identify trends, uncover patterns, and gain valuable insights. These insights can drive innovation by helping organizations understand customer needs, optimize APIs, and identify opportunities for new features or enhancements. 5. Integration Capabilities. ESB API Managers are designed to integrate with various systems, applications, and data sources. This integration capability enables organizations to leverage existing assets and systems, unlocking innovation by enabling seamless connectivity, data sharing, and collaboration across different components of the IT landscape. 6. Agile Development and Deployment. The ESB API Manager supports agile development and deployment practices. It allows teams to adopt DevOps methodologies and continuous integration/continuous deployment (CI/CD) pipelines, enabling rapid iteration, frequent releases, and faster time to market for innovative ideas. 7. Microservices Enablement. ESB API Managers often support microservices architectures, which promote modularity, scalability, and flexibility. By breaking down monolithic applications into smaller, independent services, organizations can innovate more effectively. Microservices can be developed, deployed, and managed as separate APIs using the ESB API Manager, enabling teams to work on specific functionalities or business capabilities independently. 8. Ecosystem Integration. An ESB API Manager enables organizations to build ecosystems and foster partnerships. It allows external developers, partners, and third-party providers to securely access and consume APIs, opening up opportunities for collaboration, co-creation, and innovation. 9. Security and Compliance. ESB API Managers provide robust security features, including authentication, authorization, encryption, and threat protection. These security measures ensure the protection of sensitive data and compliance with regulatory requirements, inspiring confidence and encouraging innovation by addressing security concerns. By leveraging the capabilities of an ESB API Manager, organizations can drive innovation and agility by empowering developers, streamlining processes, enabling integration, analyzing data, and fostering collaboration. It creates an environment where new ideas can flourish, accelerating digital transformation and delivering innovative solutions to market faster.